What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. For today's video guys, sasagutin lang natin yung isa sa pinaka-valuable comment na na-receive ko for today on top of your thank you messages and greetings sa channel na to. Again, we all want to make sure na masagot natin to the best of our knowledge para din mag-benefit yung iba nating mga subscribers and followers having the same question. Okay? So I will just read first yung kanyang comment. The comment was coming from Mr. Mark Chico. So shout out sa iyo, sir. Thank you for commenting sa aking video. So sabi niya, hello po, what is the best time to trade? Okay. So again, it is crucial sa ating mga traders to know and matimingan natin ano ba at kailan ba tayo dapat magte-trade. Alright. So again, before that, if you want to become a student and be part of our growing TFP VIP Champions community, you may want to check out our TFP VIP Champion 90-day mentorship program. And yeah, thank you so much to all my students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight to our lesson. Alright. So, in order to understand, para ma-relay natin ayos at masagot natin ng ayos yung comment ni Mr. Mark Chico, okay, let me just explain to you, ano ba yung iba't ibang forex trading sessions sa market, okay? Do take note, forex market simply operates 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, okay? So, dahil nga it spans on multiple zones and in different areas around the globe, okay? So, more or less, these sessions are divided into 4 categories. Okay? So, number 1 dyan, yung tinatawag natin Sydney session. So, again, yung chart na pinapakita ko sa inyo or illustration in reference dun sa ating Manila time. Okay? Sa Philippines. Okay? So, Sydney, nag-start yan around alas 5 ng umaga hanggang alauna ng hapon. Okay? So, take note that this Sydney session, okay, so, based on its characteristic, diba? So, more or less probably a quieter session compared to other sessions. At the same time, it's also affected normally by economical data from, like, of course, Australia, since it is Sydney session, Australia, New Zealand, and of course, Japan. Okay? And this Sydney session more or less exhibits yung tinatawag nating lower liquidity and volatility, which I will explain later on. So, but take note, opportunities na pwede nyo makuha dito are coming from AUD USD, NZD USD, at yung mga dollar yen pairs. Okay? So, on the other hand, along the way, di ba, mag-overlap yan with tinatawag nating Tokyo session or what we refer to as yung Asian session. So, do take note that Japan is the third largest forex trading center. Okay? So, syempre, significant movement yan is in reference with the Japanese yen. So, dyan napapasok yung mga USD JPY, Euro JPY, and other pairs. So, market activity also is influenced by other Asian economical data. Do take note of that. And Tokyo session, since one of the largest forex trading center, ay more or less moderate in terms of liquidity and volatility. Okay? So, alright, so after ng ating Sydney and Asian session, which is the Tokyo session, mag-open naman around 3 p.m. yung ating London session. Okay? Take note that in terms of its characteristic, okay, London session is the largest trading center all over the globe. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, napaka-highly liquid nito at high volatility ang in-offer nito when it comes to opportunities. So, take note that the significant market moves in different currency pairs ay usually yan yung mga related sa currency ng Euro, Great British Pound, okay, Swiss francs na pairs. So, definitely, all the majority ng economical data release reports ay na-exhibit dito sa London session, particularly around UK and Eurozone areas. Okay? So, on the other hand, after ng London session, okay, it will be having an overlap with the US session or New York session. So, mag-open yung New York session around 8 p.m. and it will have an overlap with London up until 11 p.m. Manila time. Okay? Since US session or New York session will be having an overlap it also provides high volatility and liquidity sa market. And some of its, yung mga tinatawag nating economical data release and reports, also exhibits from the US area and around the Canada area. Okay, so heavily currency pairs na affected dito ay related sa currency na, of course, anything related sa US and Canadian area. Okay, so if you're going to ask me ano ba yung best trading session or trading hours, so definitely it will fall based on my recommendation, which I personally do, di ba? So nagtitrade ako around saan? Sa overlap ng London at New York. Okay? So do take note na hindi porket yun yung recommendation ko ay yun yung susundin mo. Again, nakadepende pa rin kasi talaga yung opportunity kung saan ka available at convenience nyo. Kasi bakit? Hindi naman tayo lahat nasa Pinas, diba? So some traders nasa Europe side, okay, nasa US, nasa Canada, or some Southeast Asian countries or Middle East na hindi aakma dun sa kanilang trading hours na gusto based sa recommendation ko. Okay? So some areas na yung overlap sa kanila is hindi available sa kanila or hindi convenient kasi may work sila. So again, it varies from person to person, depende sa kanilang location. Okay? But on a personal note, sabi ko nga, no, based sa Manila time, okay, so again, meron namang converter na ng time zone, it is best to trade on the London and New York time zone. Okay? Or New York trading hours. Okay? Yung overlap na yan is highly important kasi nga, bakit? Nandun yung liquidity at yung volatility na kailangan natin. Okay? So, on the other hand, some important information, do take note na meron akong tinatawag na liquidity and volatility. Ano nga ba yun? So again, just additional information. Itong liquidity and volatility are of the two fundamental concepts na napaka-importante sa market. And take note, it represents yung yung market nature or yung behavior niya doon sa overall structure. So again, when we talk about liquidity, since trading is all about transactions, kailangan natin ng buyers and sellers. And we want to make sure na we are executing or entering and exiting sa market with ease. Okay? Nung wala masyadong disruption on our transaction. So definitely, kailangan natin yan. And when we talk about highly liquid, okay, so ibig sabihin yan, okay, maraming volume. Okay? So kailangan natin yan for us to have a huge potential profit. But take note, lahat ng ginagalawan natin when it comes to decision making is also correlated dun sa risk. So, make sure you have a good risk management and aware ka sa ano yung potential mong matalo during the transaction. Okay? So, on the other hand, when we talk about volatility, it is simply yung bilis ng price from one price value to the other. So, volatility is just a measure ng magnitude of price movement or frequency from one point to the other over time. So again, kailangan natin ng liquidity kasi bakit? It provides better risk to reward ratio. Kasi nga, tandaan natin, kapag mabilis ang galaw ng price, on the shortest period of time possible, pwede rin tayong kumita sa maikling panahon lang. But take note, kung pwede tayong kumita na malaki, lagi niya may kakambal na risk. So make sure maganda ang inyong risk management at aware ka at kina-calculate mo yung risk mo every now you do have an execution sa trade. Alright? So again, this is just a short video answering yung simple concern ni Sir Bat, pero napaka-importanting topic when it comes to aspiring traders, intermediate, or even advanced traders. So kaya, kailangan ma-timingan natin yung market wherever we are. Okay? So again, I hope this video helps para sa inyo at makapagbigay ng more ideas on how important trading sessions are and how important paano natin matimingan yun and how we can look for better opportunity using that overlap, okay, London and New York, and also doon na rin sa mga minimal opportunities na pinoprovide ng Sydney and particularly in Tokyo session. Alright? So again, thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So God bless. See you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
So I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP champion student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.